Discord Mobile is a great way to stay connected with your friends and gamers around the world. But did you know that you can change your server name on Discord Mobile? In this video, I'll show you how to change your server name on Discord Mobile in just a few easy steps. So whether you're looking to freshen up your server or just want to change things up, it's easy to do. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, first open up your Discord mobile application and then tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And then select the server that you want to change the name of. And then tap on these three little dots right next to the server name. And then tap on this gear icon to go to the server settings. Once you are on this screen, tap on the very first option, Overview. And over here at the top of the screen, you can see the server name. So go ahead and tap on that. And now you can change your server name to anything you like. After that, tap on this purple save icon at the bottom right of the screen to update your server name. Now you have successfully changed the name of your Discord server. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.